Curtain Rod Placement 101, Step-by-Step Guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be covering a common question many homeowners and renters ask themselves. Where should I place the curtain rod brackets on the wall? Hanging your curtains correctly is key to ensuring they look their best, provide privacy, and effectively block out light. Let's get started.
What tools will I need?
Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools. You'll need 1. A tape measure. This will help you measure the window and the distance from the window to the wall. 2. A pencil. Use this to mark where you will place the curtain rod brackets. 3. A drill. You'll need this to screw the brackets into the wall. 4. Screws and brackets. These come with the curtain rod kit. 5. A level. This tool will help you ensure that your curtain rod is straight.
How high should I place the curtain rod?
The first step is determining the height of your curtain rod. Generally, you should place your curtain rod about 6 to 12 inches above the top of your window frame. This gives the appearance of taller windows and higher ceilings, making your room seem larger. However, remember to adjust based on your curtain length, the ceiling height, and your personal preference.
How wide should I place the curtain rod?
Next, determine how wide to set your curtain rod. Typically, you should extend the rod 3 to 6 inches on both sides of the window frame. This allows your curtains to fully cover the window when closed but not block light when open. Again, adjust based on your window's size, curtain width, and your preference.
How do I install the curtain rod brackets?
Now that you've made your measurements, it's time to install the brackets. Mark the spots where you'll screw in the brackets using the pencil. Make sure they align with the height and width measurements you've taken earlier. Next, drill holes into your wall at the marked spots. Attach the brackets using the screws provided with the curtain rod kit. Once the brackets are secure, use the level to ensure they are straight. If they aren't, adjust as needed. Finally, place the curtain rod into the brackets and secure it according to the manufacturer's instructions. That's it. Now you know where to place your curtain rod brackets on the wall for an optimal look and function. Remember, while these guidelines are general rules of thumb, your preferences and the specificities of your space may require adjustments. Now go hang those curtains with confidence and enjoy the transformation of your space. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy decorating!